Researchers at the University of Nebraska Medical Center modeled a worst-case scenario in the U.S. Over the course of a year, 96 million cases of COVID-19, 4.8 million hospitalizations, almost 500,000 deaths. Scientists hope the measures the country is taking will keep the worst from happening, but the urgency of this moment has medical researchers all over the world racing to find some way to fight the killer virus. Last month, the National Institutes of Health tapped the Nebraska Medical Center to launch the first clinical trial in the U.S. of an antiviral drug, remdesivir, which is administered intravenously to treat patients who have already contracted the virus. It's being tested against a placebo.
It was actually studied in Ebola, interestingly. It didn't work as well for Ebola. However, there have been some animal studies as well as some studies in the lab that demonstrate that it worked fairly well against illnesses like SARS and MERS, which are also coronaviruses.
How does the drug work?
It inhibits replication of the virus. And so when a virus would normally try to reproduce itself, this drug inserts itself into that process and then stops viral replication. So it stops reproduction of the virus.
This clinical trial is up and running in the middle of this outbreak.
I will say this is the fastest clinical trial that I've ever seen come to fruition in this amount of time.
Ordinarily, how long would it take to get a trial up and running?
That can range from many months to years.